How to delete all your pins in Pinterest. Firstly, open the Pinterest tab on your device. Once your Pinterest feed appears, click on the saved icon that is on the bottom right corner of the screen. After that, all your saved pins and boards will appear on this page. Now you have to select one of the boards that you want to delete your pins off. For instance, I am choosing this board here. Now you should be able to find an option called as Organize. Once you've spotted on, click on it. Then click on Select All and all your pins will be selected. After that, click on the delete icon that is on the bottom right corner of the screen and then simply tap on delete and all your boarded pins will be deleted. Likewise, you have to go to all your boards and repeat the same steps, that is organize, select all and delete. Here I'm going to each and every board and deleting all my pins. So this is how you can delete all your pins on Pinterest. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you for watching and do subscribe to our YouTube channel.